Everyone told her she wasn't good enough. The 99th rejection email felt like the final nail in the coffin. A young woman in her late 20s sits at a dimly lit desk in a small apartment. She stares blankly at her laptop screen, where an email reads, "Unfortunately, we decided to move forward with other candidates." Her eyes are tired. A cold cup of coffee sits nearby, and sticky notes with goals are scattered across the wall behind her. But it all started with a dream she had in college, to build something that mattered. Flashback to a university classroom. She's a bright-eyed student sketching a business idea in a notebook while her classmates laugh and talk. She's focused, driven. She nearly gave up. Nearly. She's sitting on the floor of her apartment at night, surrounded by balled-up resumes and notes. Her phone buzzes with a text from her mom. "Don't lose hope. I believe in you." A tear rolls down her cheek. She changed her approach. This time, she built her own path. Instead of applying for jobs, she's building a website for her new startup. The energy has shifted. The same desk now has a vision board, a clean laptop screen showing a logo she designed. Confidence in her eyes. Her idea took off. What once got her rejected became her greatest asset. She's presenting in front of a small group of angel investors. She's passionate, polished, and in control. One investor nods with interest. Now she runs a company worth millions, and she's hiring the people who once rejected her. She's in a glass office high above the city, signing a partnership deal. A company logo behind her reads the name of her startup. Outside the window, the city skyline glows. She was rejected 100 times, but she only needed one yes, her own. She walks past the old company that once rejected her, smiles, keeps walking. Thanks for watching our videos.